guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing Hot Wheels car crash competitions. Let's do it. The rules of this competition are simple. All you have to do is, with your teammate, go around the racetrack for as long as possible without crashing. It's just you and your teammate, so no need to worry about the other team. This is a duos competition, so you will have one teammate, and the other team will have two people. Let's do this. Now it's time to meet tonight's duo length competitors. In this competition, you and your teammate must stay on there as long as possible without crashing. First, we introduce Team Moon with a 47 Fleetline and a Volkswagen Beetlebug, both very fast. And in comes Team Randos, who just joined last season. A Shark Cruiser, which is a bit beat up, and a Jaguar E-Type. Let's get it started. First, it's time for Team Rando. Let's see how long they can keep it on there. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 seconds. It's not very good. Put that on the score. 6 seconds for Team Rando. And now it is time for Team Moon. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no. Almost 30 seconds. It was so close. But then again, it still goes to Team Moon with a time of 29 seconds over Team Rando's 6. Thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.